African Center kindly invites you to the Sounds of Africa Festival 3.0 scheduled to take place at Garfield Park, Everett on Saturday, August 16, 2025 from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. SOA Fest aims to create a harmonious gathering where people from various communities in Washington state can come together to immerse themselves in the rich and authentic culture and traditions of Africa, foster diversity, promote peaceful coexistence, and facilitate meaningful exchanges between the African community in Washington and other communities.
Not easy. All these days we've been working very hard to make this happen. It's the second year. We did it at the Everett Community College last year and brought it here this time around. It's bigger and we hope it will be better.
Just like previous years, Sounds of Africa 3.0 will be filled with fun and vibrant entertainment activities, including a fashion show featuring African clothing, a dynamic dance competition, and captivating live music performances by various African bands and artists such as Pabu Chobate, the Creative Arts, Wawak Video Choir, Gansango West African Music and Dance Group, and many more, all completely free of charge. Event goers will also have the opportunity to try authentic African food from different vendors. There will also be vendors of different types of clothing, arts and crafts, and other businesses and community partners who will sell, display, or give away different products and services. In light of the significance of the occasion, we cordially invite you to serve as a vendor at the 3rd Annual Sounds of Africa Festival on Saturday, August 16, 2025 between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. Your presence would be an honor and a testament to your commitment to promoting cultural understanding, diversity, and inclusion. If you have a business and would like to reach the greater Washingtonian community, sign up for free to be a vendor at the Washington West African Center's 3rd Annual Sounds of Africa Festival. Whether you sell African food, clothing, jewelry, accessories, or any other type of African products, or if your business targets Africans and the greater Washingtonian community, from real estate, accounting, non-profit organizations, lawyers, restaurants, mechanics, beauty and hair salons, etc. This is the perfect place to sell your products and services to about 2,000 people for free of charge. A spectacular fashion show featuring traditional clothing from 17 African countries, blending music, storytelling, and bold African fabrics on stage. Fun for the whole family with kids activities, a bounce house, and of course face painting and more. All free and open to the community. This isn't just about celebration, it's about creating space. For far too long, West Africans in Washington have been overlooked. We've stayed within ourselves. This festival is part of a bigger shift. It's about opening our doors, showing who we are, and creating real connections between our people and the wider community. This is more than a festival, it's a cultural movement. Your presence supports WAWAC's mission to uplift the African community in Washington, provide critical services, and build bridges of unity across all communities. RSVP now to secure your spot by scanning the QR code. This event is community powered and we cannot do it without you. We put in this festival together with very limited capacity, and your time, energy and presence can make all the difference. If you believe in building community, sharing culture and making space for joy and pride, sign up to volunteer and help us bring this vision to life. Every helping hand is deeply appreciated. If you have any questions or need assistance with the RSVP process, please do not hesitate to contact us at 425-758-3269. Mark your calendars for Saturday, August 16, 2025. Let's celebrate together, uplift our community, and share the spirit of Africa with the entire state. Sounds of Africa 3.0, bringing the heart of Africa to Washington State. If you would like to support WAWAC to provide more services to the West African community in Washington State, contact us on 253-235-2132 or email us info@wawac.org or visit www.wawac.org. Sounds of Africa Festival 3.0 is the ultimate deal. Be there or nowhere, 16th August 2025 at Garfield Park on Saturday from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. See you there.